With Adobe FrameMaker, converting Markdown documents to DITA is just a few clicks away. This is the Markdown document that we are going to convert to DITA in FrameMaker. Here we see a DITA map with a defined topic reference element. The href has a value of our Markdown file. The format attribute has a value of Markdown, and the chunk attribute has a value of by document. To convert a Markdown document to DITA in FrameMaker, go to Structure, select Utilities, and Convert Markdown to DITA. A dialog appears. Locate and select the DITA map you wish to import to DITA. Choose an output location and select Convert. Let's go look at the generated output. You can see that a log file and a new DITA topic are now generated. Let's go open the DITA topic. When we open the topic in FrameMaker, you can see that the Markdown file has now been converted to DITA, and the content is chunked into a single DITA topic. Even the formatting from the EDD was properly imported into the document. If you have questions or would like a personalized demo, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.